Hey there, Sanka everybody, welcome back for another amazing video. Hope you guys are doing good. This is part 3 to the videos before this in regards to making money on Metaverse, how to make that mashallah money from the Metaverse. So I've talked about many things like labor, marketing, land, education, blah 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 blah. You check out those other videos, I'll link them somewhere here and there. You can check them out. Next topic, what else things, this video is going to be focused on what else things could be done and to make money from the Metaverse, and this could be external or internal. So a huge thing is e-commerce. For example, imagine having an entire e-commerce business set up from your Metaverse. So in the Metaverse, you develop a outlook for your e-commerce business, external of it or internal of it. Your product, you choose what you want to do with it. So you design this thing in the Metaverse. There's so many people walking through the Metaverse or in the Metaverse. They see your e-commerce stores. They like something. They could be. I don't know about this. There might be linkages to the external world from it. Even if they're not, they see a product and you can say buy this at think.com. Boom. That's it. That person will come out, go to that thing, whatever your website, and then they'll buy the products that you want. So there's that linkage that could be. Another thing that's very huge and very successful in the Metaverse as of right now is networking. There's a saying, your network is your net worth. Networking is huge. And in the meta world, people are networking, making friends, making connections, and using them to be fruitful externally. There's a guy's TikTok, I don't remember whose it is, I just saw a few days ago, was that he had networked with a lot of people in the Metaverse, and then he had taken them out, taken their that relationship and made it fruitful for himself externally by being, selling real physical land in the real world. So that's huge. Another thing that you can do, now this is more like externally, right? What you can do and how you can make money, and you don't need to be like a genius and designer and all that stuff. You can test products from the Metaverse. For example, there's development. Development requires testing. And so you can become a tester, and there's a lot of websites that you can do, not only for this, but also externally you can do other things for testing purposes. So inshallah, check that out. Another thing that you can do is make a blog and a social media presence of Metaverse. For example, you are an actual user of the Metaverse, you go in there, you interact, you see friends, XYZ. You can make a blog about this. You can make an entire social media presence about this. I mean, you can take a small niche and make a social media presence about anything, and you can make so much money from it. For example, I've taken concept of Islamic finance, and I mean, this isn't a niche. What I'm doing is a huge topic, but you can take just the life in Metaverse and just make an entire YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram on it. Well, how you make money from this is actually going to be very passive. You're going to have to wait for 6-7 months until you have a good enough following. Maybe you go viral, you have following within a month. You will start getting a lot of crypto projects that are going to come to you and be like, could you market for us? Could you promote us? Could you make a video for us? Or somewhere in the video, could you somehow promote us? And at that point, the other things, I was talking about marketing and everything can come in place where there's some form of marketing happening in the Metaverse, and you just go towards where their building is in the Metaverse, and you just kind of walk in there and be like, oh, this is cool, this thing, check it out, type of thing. And people will be like, okay, this thing exists. Let's take Coke for example, okay? You walk in and there's like this Coke store, and you check out Coke, and obviously this is called maintenance marketing. People who are gonna watch that video are gonna be like, oh look, Coke is coming up. So you can do a lot of stuff from this entirely new industry, this entirely new world that's being developed, and make a lot of money from it. Obviously, I've only talked with the last few videos and this video, I've only talked about maybe 10 to 12 things, but I am sure that there's maybe 1,000 things and ways that you can make that mashallah money from the Metaverse. Like, you live in this world, you know how many ways there is to make money. Imagine, just add that onto the Metaverse also. Like, similar stuff would be onto the Metaverse. So I mean, I can go into details about this topic and then talk about this later, but that kind of sums up this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys are gonna take this and maybe try to do something fruitful for yourself and make that mashallah money. Other than that, take care of yourself. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Leave your comments and let me know what you guys are thinking. Assalamu alaikum. do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks.